Good morning. Anmol Classes welcomes you in the series of your Python programming lab, that is for your B.Tech second year first semester. Today we will see the third experiment, that is write a program to create, concatenate and print a string and assessing substring from a given string. So first we need to go for creating a string. What exactly the string is? A string means we can say it as collection of characters. Okay, so collection of characters, for your understanding we can say it as a sentence type, we can consider it. One particular sentence we can say, or a group of sentences we can say. They are arranged in a particular order. So we need to create that one. So we need to create the string. We need to concatenate it. Concatenate means to join or make a series of that one. And we need to print the string. And we need to access the substring. What exactly the substring is? Substring means from the string, a part of a string, we can say it as a substring. Or for understanding purpose, we can say that from one sentence, a group of words from one particular portion to another, we can consider it as a substring. Okay, so having this basic, we can go for writing the Python programming for it. So we can say that a string is a collection of characters arranged in a particular order. A portion of a string is known as subtracting. For instance, suppose we have a string. String means we are having the collection of characters. So we can go for substring or string in Python. So when we are going for a substring, we can go for substring using str.split function. We can go for using string slicing function, and we can go for regular expressions. Let us see the extracting a substring from the middle. So if we want to extract, if we are going for a slicing notation, so the slicing notation text, you will be having a square bracket, then your starting point, colon and end point, starting at index and goes up to your end index. So here it is telling that square bracket 14 is to 16. So from example, we'll go for seeing it. So this is the required program, experiment number 3, program to create, concatenate and print a string and accessing substring from a given string. So here this first and second, when we are starting from hash, this is the comment line, this is for the user. The compiler will just escape this one and it will start from this third line. So here all the following are equivalent. We can go for single quote, we can go for double, we can go for triple. All will be having the same meaning. So we are having my string is equal to hello, print my string. Then my string is equal to double quote hello and end with double quote, print my string. My string is equal to triple quote hello and end with triple quote, print my string. So whether we are going for single quote, double quote and triple quote, all will have the same meaning. So at the output we'll be getting hello, 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 we'll be getting it. Okay. Then triple quote string can be extend multiple lines. So if we are going for this triple quote, it can extend for multiple lines. So my string, here we are writing hello, Anmol Classes welcomes you, print my string. So when we are going for print my string, hello Anmol Classes welcomes you will be appearing in the output. Now we are writing one variable c. C is what? To the world of Python. And here print my string plus c. So c is a variable. To this variable we have assigned this character, that to the world of Python. So what will be getting at the output? At the output we'll be getting it as hello Anmol Classes welcomes you. Then we'll be getting to the world of Python. So from here complete till here we'll be getting. So at the output whatever the thing is there in my string, that will be appearing, and plus C is there. So at a C variable, whatever the terms that we have entered, that will be appearing. So complete sentence will be appearing. And we can go for substring function. So when we are going for substring function, here we are slicing it. Print my string square bracket 7:20 square bracket and then common bracket close. So after 7, what are the character will be there? So if we are counting it here, hello. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 7, this is there. Anmol is there. 1. So 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 classes. So it is starting from Anmol and it is ending at classes, and after that it will reject. So when we are going for slicing it, print my string square bracket 7:20 square bracket close common bracket close, will be getting this Anmol classes only. Now let us try to run the program and see what the output that we are getting it. So from single quote we are getting this hello. From double quote we are getting second hello. From this third quote we are getting this third hello. Then triple quote is there. Hello, Anmol Classes welcomes you. So here in the fourth line we are getting hello, Anmol Classes welcomes you. And then when we are printing my string plus C, so apart from this hello, Anmol Classes welcomes you to the world of Python, so both will be added up. So we are getting hello, Anmol Classes welcomes you to the world of Python. And when we are going for substring function, so substring means from this string only part of this we are getting it. So it is 7:20. So after 7, so 8 is your this A. So Anmol Classes will be appearing. So as we are writing it 7:20, so we'll be getting the 8th character. From 8th till 20th character will be getting it. If we are not writing anything here at the 20th, it will be starting from Anmol, and all whatever the remaining are there, remaining will be appearing. Now let us try to see and execute it. So here you see Anmol Classes welcomes you. So in my string it is there that Anmol Classes welcomes you, all it will be coming. So it is starting, and say suppose 20 we have written. Now instead of this 7, if we are not assigning any number, so it will start from beginning. So let us run this also. So ideally it should say hello Anmol Classes. So let us see that whether it is happening. Hello Anmol Classes. Okay, now you have understood this slicing part of this my string. Okay, let us okay, so when we are making it 7:20, we are getting this Anmol Classes. Thank you. In the next video, we'll be going for your next experiment.